Hello YouTube, welcome back to the shop today. Today we are going to build a water pan for our CNC. All right, so on our last episode here with the DIY CNC or the home built CNC, whatever you want to call it, I got this pan. I didn't talk much about it, but basically it's a 16 gauge. I got it cut and formed at a local shop. Saves me a lot of welding, so all I need to do is weld up the corners. You can see here I got some other material. This is again 16 gauge strips, a couple different sizes, and you'll see how I put them in there. I'm going to be putting them in like a grate. They'll have a curve in it, a lot like this one. This was just something that I could mess around with and judge to see how long I was going to make them. The angle iron is going to have a bunch of slots in it, and that's going to be welded here and here across the whole table. With all those slots cut in, it's going to hold our little strips. And if that doesn't make sense, it will. So I'm going to get to work. I'm going to weld up the corners of the pan. I'm going to cut the angle iron to length. Then we'll cut a bunch of slots in that angle iron. And then we'll lay them in and see what we can make happen here. One step at a time, so let's get at her. So we got our angle irons cut. I have them sitting in here. This is kind of the orientation that they will be. They'll be closer together, but this is the idea. And there's gonna be slots cut in here to hold our slats, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with those guys. I did weld up the corners. I did that off camera. I did that with my new toy, Prime Weld 225. I'm not gonna show you all that because I'm still learning. And those inside corners, are a little tough. You definitely learn how to fill holes really quickly, but it works. We'll find out once there's water in it how bad I actually did. So I'm gonna get to marking these two angle irons, and we'll start messing with our slats. I also have a buddy coming over. He needs some aluminum welded together. Very small project, so it might take us a few minutes and get that done for him. But anywho, we'll keep at it. I'll mark up these angle irons and we'll start cutting, and hopefully we can get this thing done tonight. Okay, so we got our water pan done. It actually looks really good. Had to do some custom belly bending, but you know, she turned out really good. Yeah, I mean, I don't know really what to say. I just have the angle iron tacked in right now. I might do some more final welding on that, but I just want to make sure this is where I want it. Reason I'm doing curved pieces is mainly for if you ever by chance, if you have those slats straight and your plasma decides to cut right down one of those guys. So this limits the chance of actually fuse welding your part that you're cutting to your water pan slats. Kind of pumped because once these things go shot, I can actually cut my own now. I might even make one little teeth on the top, which is less contact area and less chances of parts getting stuck and all that jazz. I do have slots every 2 inches. You can see there's some empty. These are technically 4 inches apart. That is just so I can take some little ones and fill them in, or I can tuck these all closer on one end if I'm just cutting in one area of the table, etc. So there is a reason why I did it the way I did it. But no, it turned out really good. So this will be a short video, but water pan is done. I mean, I still need to do a drain plug, and I might do I'm going to do a ground tab on the bottom of it yet. But that's just a hole and a little bit of welding. So anyways, thanks for stopping by today, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Always looking for more subscribers. We will, I'm not sure what we'll do on the next one. Have to see. I know I say this all the time, but I'm going to have to spend some money soon. I can't keep procrastinating about that. But anyways, please hit the like button, subscribe. And if you love to leave a comment, that'd be great. I'd love to talk to you guys. If you see anything that I can change or maybe change in the future, let me know. That'd be great. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.